Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial I am going to show you guys how to set a product as out of stock in WooCommerce step by step. This is very useful when a product is no longer available in your store and you want to manage your store inventory properly without confusing your customer. But before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will find lots of helpful tutorials on WordPress, like how to create classified listing website, e-commerce website, elemental guide and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step and want to build professional website, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Alright, let's begin. Now I can close this tab and go to the admin dashboard. From here we will manage the product stock settings using WooCommerce. So from the left side bar, go to the WooCommerce product and you can see this is the WooCommerce, then the products. Hover over on it and click over here all products. This is the WooCommerce product list which already I have added. Now let's check which product you want to set as out of stock. Like I want to set out of stock for this product, so hover over on it and click over here edit. Now scroll down and go to the product data section. This is the product data and this is the simple product. Now I have to select inventory tab. This is the inventory tab, so click and navigate to the inventory tab. That's great. Stock status, you can see currently in stock is selected. Now I want to set out of stock for this product, so I have to select this radio button out of stock. So click and select this button out of stock, then scroll up and from the right side top click over here update. The product settings has been updated. Now I can check this product with another tab, so open up with a new tab and check it. That's great. You can see out of stock is showing perfectly. Now if I go to the shop page, you can see this is the shop page. Click over here, then just scroll down and you can see printed t-shirt coffee black color, it shows out of stock. That means the out of stock settings works perfectly. Then again you can do it the same things in another way. So again go to the product editing option and scroll down again, go to the inventory tab, then you can see stock management, track stock quantity for this product. Just check this box and a new option is showing quantity. Currently it shows on. If you give here like 0, then automatically it will show out of stock. Okay, let's check. So give here 0 and again update it from the right side top. Open up this product with another tab. Yes, you can see it works perfectly. Then again go to the shop page and just reload it. Yes, you can see it works perfectly. Now if you want to hide this out of stock product from the website or from the shop page, then you can do it with the WooCommerce settings. So again go to the admin dashboard and hover over on WooCommerce, click over here settings, navigate to the products tab, general, then the products, click over here. Then again you can see it shows multiple tabs like general, inventory. You have to navigate to the inventory tab, so click here inventory. Just scroll down and very bottom of this page you can see out of stock visibility, hide out of stock items from the catalog. Definitely I want to hide out of stock product for my website, so click and check this box, then save changes. Again go to the shop page and you can see currently out of stock printed t-shirt coffee black color product is showing here. Just reload this page and check it. That's great. You can see the out of stock product has been removed from the website. If you go to the another page, yes, you can see the product has been removed from the website. I have shown how to set out of stock for the simple product. Now I want to show you how to set out of stock for the variable product. So again, go to the WooCommerce product list and you can see this is the WooCommerce product and this is a variable product. Already I have added it as a variable product, green printed t-shirt. Okay, let's check it. So open up with a new tab and you can see this is a variable product, black and white. Now I want to set out of stock for this product. So again, go to the product list and I have to edit it. So click over here, edit, then scroll down and go to the product data section. This is the product data. Previously it was simple product. Now you can see it shows variable product. Now you have to navigate to the variation tab. This is the variation and white, then the black. I want to set out of stock for this attribute white. So click here and scroll down and you can see stock status in stock. I want to set out of stock. So if we click over here, then the drop down will open and you can choose out of stock from here. Set out of stock and save changes. Then again scroll up and update from the right side top. Then open this product with a new tab and check it. That's great. You can see this is the black. If we click over here black, then the black t-shirt is showing, and again if we click here white, you can see it disabled and it does not selectable. So in this way you can set out of stock for the simple product and a variable product as well. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.